Reporter, where you guys from?
Dari Batam.
Mal-
Bali.
Jakarta or where you guys from? Dari mana?
I'm from Batam.
Batam. Oh, right. Indonesia Batam, yeah?
Yeah.
Not the Malaysia one.
No.
No, Batam. All right.
We are very proud to Singapore and Malaysia.
All right. All right. Enjoy, boys.
Yeah.
All right. Enjoy your holiday.
Yeah. That's all.
All right. Thank you. All right. They are. Right. Where are we now? We are beach walk. Alright, this is the outside of beach walk. As we can see, a lot of people over there, and also people driving around. Am I allowed to go that side? Alright, just let's make a video from here. Here we go. This is a beach walk. I came here 3 weeks ago, I guess, 3 weeks or a month ago, and I just want to update the situation, the condition from here. And as we can see, many people shopping. I might need to cross the road over there so we can see more people over there. Right, here we go. Shopping at Jara. Hi, Jakarta. Where are you from? Alright, probably they are not from Jakarta. Maybe they are from Malaysia. Yeah, this is a pizza and bira beach box. Right, there's a lot of visitor inside. Look at that coffee. It's more in here. But from the motorbike, we can see a motorbike in here. Suitcase! Man, where are they going? I guess they just arrived. Some more people over here. Starbucks. Alright, so from the motorbike, you can see a lot of motorbikes here. Must be a lot of people inside. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot of them. Alright, keep going along here. We're gonna spy a little bit inside. There we go. A lot of people over there. Tourists, local tourists. Alright, here we go. We are at beach walk right now. As you can see the sign in here, we can see the beach walk over here. That's is inside. I don't need to go inside, but just let's go spy a little bit from here. Here we got the condition along here. I'm gonna go step up a little bit, step out a little bit. You can see this flamingo. Alright. I check in over there. Alright, here we got the condition from here. Look at this, guys. This is really nice. The temperature is really good. We can see tourists over there. You can see white skin over there. That is good. And also some people in here, people inside. There we go. Really nice. Alright, I don't know what's going on. It's something not right over there with security. I guess he's doing his job. So just not sure. He's doing his job. Good. Just I don't know what's going on with that guy over there. But anyway. Anyway. Right. See a robot moving over there. You see that robot moving over there? Okay. Alright, good luck, guys. With that, with all of them. Right. Let's go. I'm sorry. Hey bro, are you YouTuber? Are you YouTuber?
No.
No.
Picture,
Oh, take a picture. Where are you from?
I'm local.
Local from here, same man. I'm just making video all around. Alright.
Lagi online tuh?
Now ini cuman buat vlog saya.
Vlognya?
Ya.
Udah streaming.
Sudah sih, cuman kan kalau streaming pemula saya belum target maksudnya.
Oh, gitu.
Belum partner sama YouTube. Jadi saya baru 4 bulan, setengah jalan lagi lah.
Gitu ya?
Iya, setengah jalan lagi baru saya bisa partner sama YouTube. Ya harus bikin ini konten terus.
Iya, jalan.
Ngejar jam tayang sama subscriber. Oke lah bang.
Yuk, thank
Mau
you.
masuk nih?
Enggak, nih teman dari luar nanya suasana di sini.
Udah bikin aja vlog, ada vlognya sini.
Dia nggak mau pakai vlog, dia mau pakai gini. Kita kirim videonya, dia yang edit, dia yang pakai gitu loh.
Dia yang nge-vlog
Dia
gitu.
sama gitu ya, dia.
Enak kali punya partner.
Iyalah, yang penting kan bayarannya.
Boleh lah jadi partnernya. Alright, okay, cool. Thank you, bro. Alright, man, that's just really nice. He is making video for his friend. That is good. Alright, let's keep going on that side. Like I said, a lot of people along here. I'm gonna jump to that side and we walk all the way down there to get to my motorbike. But here we got a condition situation from here. Bali at the weekend. What day is this? 5th of February. That is good. That is good. Right. Jumped. Let's go here. Rush. Right. Yeah, it's a lot of motorbikes. There must be a lot of people in here right now. Alright, keep going. Let's go. Walk along here. Halo Pak. Selamat sore Pak. Halo. Apa kabar? Baik. Right, a lot of sellers in here. Really good to be along here. Snack. Hello, sir. Yeah. Really nice. Wow. It's good to be able to walk and share with you guys. Some people nasi bungkus. Here we go. It's really nice to be in here. Really good. They're just hanging in here at the weekend. If they want to go to jump to the supermarket over there, it's easy, just right over there. So it's really good. So this is a really nice place to be at the weekend before sunset time. This is really the best place. Halo bang. Yeah. Many nasi bungkus. Street food. This is really good. Wow. That's over there. It's really nice. This is ayam geprek, I guess. Wow, it's good. Right, everyone, that's the condition from here. That's the beach in here. Do you want me to show you the beach? Here we go, this is the beach condition. So here we go, the situation from beach walk. It's always good to see, always good to be in here to see the condition along here. So zero tourists, only, international, zero international. But it's only more locals. I guess those guys are from outside of Bali. Yeah. Reporter, where you guys from? Jakarta or where you guys from? Dari mana?
I am from Batam.
Batam. Oh, right. Indonesia Batam, yeah?
Yeah.
Not the Malaysia one.
No.
No, Batam. All right.
Ferry cross to Singapore and Malaysia.
All right. Enjoy, boys.
Yeah.
All right. Enjoy your holiday.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right. They are from Batam. Batam is close to Malaysia. Yeah. All right. I guess we're gonna end this video and then we're gonna go to Kuta. Let's go check along Kuta. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend and enjoy your Sunday tomorrow with family. Goodbye, everybody, and all the best.